Welcome to my Buttercream Shamrock cookie tutorial. You could get the recipe for this buttercream and the cookies in the link description below. I am using Wilton gel coloring in leaf green and Juniper green for the buttercream. I am also using Wilton petal tips in number 102, number 103, and not pictured is number 104. Thanks for watching The Kitchen Prescription, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell below to get notified of new videos.